Now if I feel that the audio track on my video is not good enough, I can always substitute it for a music track. I'm going to create a new bin. I'm going to call this audio. I'm going to open up that bin. I'm going to double click again. I'm going to find a suitable audio track. Now in this case I'm going to try this one 3 waves. I can do a little preview if I want. I can import that into my project. I can now add this audio into another track, so I don't necessarily have to get rid of my original soundtrack. I can then play. Of course, what I would now go on to do is to edit the individual clips as I work through my presentation. It now comes down to editing. I can actually scroll over my tracks using my playhead. Again, if I find the music a little distracting, again I can mute it. See if there's any particular clips I don't like. I'm not really happy with that one, doesn't do a great deal. So what I can do, I can select a particular clip within the track. If I do a right mouse click, you'll notice there's an option to ripple delete. I can delete that clip and all of the other clips in the sequence will move along.